This is a story about life, about struggle, about success. Not just mine, but yours too. Because whether you see it now or not, we're all trading something every single day. Time, energy, choices. That's life. That's trading. I wasn't always here. I wasn't always the guy you see on your screen. I started out just like most people, uncertain, broke, doubting the system, doubting myself. But one thing kept me going, the belief that life's biggest opportunities aren't given, they're taken. And I took mine. See, trading isn't just about charts, candles, or currencies. It's about discipline, patience, and the courage to bet on yourself. It's about understanding that every loss is a lesson and every win is a stepping stone. It's about the grind, the sleepless nights, the early mornings, and that voice in your head telling you to keep going when the rest of the world says stop. But let me tell you something. This journey didn't start with success. It started with failure. More failures than I can count. I remember sitting in front of my screen, watching the markets eat me alive, thinking maybe this isn't for me. But deep down, I knew it wasn't about the markets. It was about me. My mindset, my choices, my willingness to adapt, to learn, and to grow. The truth is, trading is a mirror. It shows you who you really are. It forces you to face your fears, your doubts, and your limits. But it also shows you your potential if you're brave enough to see it. I'm here now because I refuse to quit, because I learned to see every loss as a stepping stone, every setback as a setup for a comeback. And if there's one thing I want you to take away from this, it's this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be persistent. Success isn't about getting it right all the time. It's about staying in the game long enough to win. This isn't just a stream. This is a movement. A space where we don't just talk about markets. We talk about life, about growth, about becoming the best version of yourself, not just as a trader, but as a person. Because the truth is, the charts don't care about you, but this community does. I do. And together, we're gonna rise. So, take a deep breath, clear your mind, and get ready. This is where traders are made. This is where dreams are built. And this is where your story begins. Let's get it.
What's the deal, gang? What is the deal? What's going on? It's Friday. Welcome to our weekly finish line. The Friday finish line. Yep, headphones died. I had to get these up and running real quick. So running at about 30% battery right now. So I think that's enough. I think that's enough for us to finish out the stream. Let me fix this back. Let me fix my banana shaped back. There we go. Reggie in the building. What's up? Come on in. Jamal. Jamal Lee. Jamal. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, boom. We are situated. My whole desk is tossed around here every time I'm done streaming. The kids hop on here for the rest of the day, and then it's a mess here. Hi, have you already given prize to the winners? Are you planning to give everyone the end of the week? Yes. Yes, I told you. You guys will get it over the weekend. Everyone from this week will get it over the weekend as I submit names today. I haven't submitted any winners' names. So after the stream today, I will be getting together with my contact from Top One and submitting all the names. Did you manage to get in trades after stream yesterday? No, I ran out. I spoke to Kerman and then but after that I had an exhaust plume out my ass. Gotta go. Alright, in terms of ranges, it's pretty simple. We got a very bullish day today. We've been driving up all day. $55, right? I called 55 or 58 beginning of the day yesterday. Yesterday's Asian session. Beginning of the day. Beginning of yesterday's daily candle, put it that way. And we've smashed through all of that. Look, we're at 60 already. Man, Kervin would be loving this right now. He would be saying, this is a psychological level here at 3360 flat, right? So you can technically already look for a reaction here. Remember yesterday? It's really cool. People like they trade based on psychological levels, but then somehow they tend to always line up at the end of the day with what we're doing as well. Because like, hey, Dad, I'm playing on this MT5 game. Yeah, I'd be like, come play this grounded game. They got this new game. It's called Punished for a Week. That's that new shit I just came out with. Yep, bought it at Target. It's a board game. It's a very bored game. You get really bored sitting at home doing nothing. Yeah, no, the kids are avoiding me right now. The kids right now are pretending to sleep. I walked in the room, there was like I was like, all right, I'm just going to let them pretend sleep. I'm going to let you pretend sleep in. Because I'm going to ask them to do the same with me. When they come downstairs and they wake up and they come down here for breakfast, I'm going to be like, just pretend I'm sleeping in too. They're not ready for it. They're too innocent to be that diabolical. That can be a breakfast? Nope. Pretend we're still pretending, remember? We're pretending we're sleeping in today. I'll tell you when the game ends. All right, we're pushing up here. We've been bullish. The daily's bullish. The 4 hours bullish. If we can get this closure above this range here, we are not going to look for a position until we pull back. Right? So I'm waiting for this to pulley-bacula a little bit, and then we can look for positions. This range is kind of ugly here too. And we got that 15 closing bearish. Oh, no, the previous 15 closed bearish. So what you want here is you probably want a closure above that 15. It did create some kind of range here. It's interesting. What's to the left here? Okay, we had a level. Okay, so yeah, we'd want a closure above there, and then what time is it? Comics open here in 7 or 8 minutes. Maybe the 15 closes above and Comics drives us up. We'll see. Because we don't have any news today, right? So Comics brings a bit of volume. And if we can get a closure above, can we expect that volume to finish out the range? Yes, we can. We just need that closure. Right? Otherwise, we'll push down now because we've kind of closed back below the most recent and respecting a resistance here. So we do not have news. No news. Dun dun dun. We do have this today. Oh, we don't have news today. There's no USD news. What? Federal budget balance? At the yellow folder at 2? No. With the amazing info Curvin it was yesterday, are you looking to adapt your style going forward? No, I brought him on so you guys could learn something and like maybe, you get to see a different perspective. Maybe you already do something similar. Maybe it helps you get to where you're going, right? I mean, I ask questions because like I want you guys to learn, not because I really like this. I'm trying to learn the way he trades, even though it's very interesting. It's very, very interesting, and like there are things that when you learn and pick up on, you don't just forget, right? Like next time I see things that he spoke about, I'll probably recognize him and be like, oh, that's what he spoke about. And then if I see it enough, then maybe I'll incorporate it into my trading. Right? But it's not about like, oh, I heard this, so now I'm going to do it. No. That's not how it works. I have to, like, I'm trading the way I trade. It's just over time. If I recognize things or opportunities where he pointed them out, I might start locking in on them. Because if he didn't point them out, I would have never otherwise known they exist. Right? Those opportunities are where to look, where he locks in on. No bottom wick. But the 30's still open. And we haven't had a pullback all night. Current 4 hour, no bottom wick. Yeah, I'd love to come down there and make one. Ow, ow, ow. Yeah, we just gotta wait for a support to form here. Once we get the support formed here, things will get easier. This is also interesting. Can we use this, the most recent area? Yeah, I think that's what we're gonna have to use. The most recent support, not the older resistance. The more recent level would be up here. If we can get a 15 closure here, bullish. Right, everything else is bullish. The hourly, the 4 hour, the 30. We can get this 15 closing bullish here. We can retest the top of the range here, by the way. Bitey way. Bitey way. I try to say I'll be there. Waiting for. Took sells at 7 a.m. breaking the 30-minute lows. Then when I looked back, I realized it wasn't the best idea as it had no bottom wick. Sells at any time overnight were a tough idea because we were so bullish. All you had to do was wait for support. Instead of guessing the reversal, just wait for support and continuation. Oh, capiche? Capiche. Yeah. Some of you guys need a capichito this morning. Have your daily dose of a capichito. Up. Hi, can you tell a support is being made? Well, yeah, if we start closing bullish here, a support will be printed. You might close bearish on the 30 though. And expect either a top wick on the next 30, right, to 59, or a drive up, aka the hourly flip, and continue with structure. Where's Unk today, yo? Where's Kenny? I think Jay is here. Jay, yeah. Jay trying to get Nightbot fired.
Why? Because I'm sending the info that he should be sending. Yeah.
The J bot.
Yes, sir. Every time he sends the futures account stuff, I have to send the correct amount because it keeps changing. Good morning.
Yeah, Nightbot over here drunk.
Yeah. I mean, not his fault.
It is Friday, yeah, right.
Yeah.
Nightbot's a different animal on Fridays.
Yeah. He been prepping for the weekend. He's prepping to the party. What a beautiful day. Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's doing great. Hope you guys have kept your capital for the week. Enjoy it today. There's no red folders, just pure price action. So no FOMO. Enjoy yourselves. Trade with care. Get it going. Party!
Party. Give me a sec. I got someone at the door. Hold on a second.
Again, we're 125 people, 120 people watching right now. Go ahead and drop a like. I know we forget to do that. Drop a like, be done with it, and enjoy the stream. Thank you.
All right, there we go. Getting in the building. Asking you shall receive. We closed here on the 30. Still indecisive. Still within the range. We do want a closure outside the range. We do have bullish volume coming in here. We don't have a bottom wick here on this candle, and we're also just continuing to push up without bouncing off a support or without closing at a support. So if this can continue driving here and then pull back and close at a support at 33.61 or above it, I don't mind trading up. But because we don't have a bottom wick on this 30 and the previous 30 is pretty indecisive, we could still flip bearish here. We could still flip bearish. There's a lot of orders that we're just taking here on the break of the highs. People just put buy stops right here. A lot of orders are just grabbed there. So is that enough orders to continue up, or are we gonna close back in range? And if all these buys hit their stops, man, we can see some sells. It'll be
I wanted to
interesting.
quickly mention Top One Futures is having a promo that's ending tonight at midnight, where the S2F Simpro count and the challenges, you can get up to 9 that you can trade at the same time. They
Oh,
reactivated
that's
that
still
promo
tonight. I
ending
thought that was
tonight.
done yesterday. Thank you.
No, it's tonight. 15 hours left. I bought a few more accounts, so I'm trading a lot at the same time. So payout should be really nice.
9 accounts.
So just wanted to guys let you know. Use code WIX. You get 55% off on challenges and on S2F Sim Pro accounts, and you get 35% off on the instant funded.
Instant fund
so
is still a good deal,
S2F,
but I want that 5.5 on the instant funded, man.
Yeah, they don't have that anymore right now. They haven't had it for a while, and I'm with you. I agree.
I wrote
Instant
them a
funded is
message. I
honestly
was
the
like,
best
people
one.
are waiting for that 55% off instant funded.
Yes,
I'll
sir.
see what they say, man.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
seriously.
I noticed that people load up every time at 55% off. It's the best deal in the industry for the best account in the industry. So people load up on those accounts.
Oh yeah, no doubt. Yeah, you can buy as many as you want, but only trade 3 at the same time, so you're good. I bought the S2F this time just to add on to get more accounts and then go for it and not have any losing days. I'm just gonna really be very, very particular and then get a nice payout and then take it from there.
Yes, sir. Damn, look at this market all night. I gotta sneeze. This fucking hair, man. Like Marge Simpson over here. Messing with my neck support. How many years did you trade before you saw profitability? 2.5, 3, roughly. Last time I got a haircut, like I was at the barbershop last week. They just don't cut the top of my hair. About last time I cut like any hair off, like off the top, was 2016. Almost 9 years. Or 2017, something like that. Yeah, 2016. We called this daily swing. I think 33.16. Yeah, it was like a 250 pip stock for about 600 pips. We called this earlier. Means nothing. Proper roster. Yeah, I was walking out the world famous egg rolls the other day. I'm walking out and some dude walking in, some black dude, he's like, "White Rasta! I done seen everything! White Rasta!" He starts yelling. Yeah, I'm walking with my kids and shit. He's yelling. He said, I done seen everything. And I'm ready to die. That's it.
Oh, that's hilarious. Oh my God. That's so funny.
It was like an old Jamaican man.
Yeah.
Like
He's probably like, what the hell? 2025. What the hell now?
He said, I done seen everything. It was so funny. Like, I'm just trying to get some egg rolls with my kids, dog. It's crazy.
He's gonna be talking about you for the next week, 2.
Bro, I know he came home and he was like, you know what I just seen at the egg roll spot?
He's not gonna believe it.
Yeah, he gonna come home and tell him the black fairy tale. He said, all right, sit down, y'all. Y'all ain't gonna believe this shit. White Rasta. He sounded like that meme, you know, the guy walking around here, rich millionaire. That's what he sounded like. He was yelling, White Rasta. Eddie's calling it a week. No, you can't do that, Eddie. It's too soon. Oh, good morning. You're up? You're up?
Yeah.
Oh, that you were pretending to sleep in. I'm pretending to sleep in too right now. White Rasta about to do White Rasta activities. What? What? He's chewing my yo, get off the bro. He's chewing the J's. Bye, pop you. Here, put these back, please. He's chewing the J's. Nah.
We should change the name of the stream to White Rasta and Benny.
Yeah. Benny over here eating everything. He does not
White
stop
Rasta
eating.
and Benny. I think that's the new name.
I'm gonna take him to the grooming spot and be like, "You want us to give him a cut?" And be like, "Nah, lock his hair up. Give him locks."
We're going to hit 100,000 streams. No problem.
I'm going to cut half my hair off. I'm about to just put that on him. Yo, Capitan. What's up? Yo. Chat. I just realized something. Oh, very, very nice. Very, very nice. I would like to welcome everybody to 7-Eleven. Okay, my friend. I do all stream like this. Thank you. Come again. Very, very nice. Very, very cheap. Instant account. What are you doing?
Stop it. What does it say Zoom on that?
What does it say, Zoom?
Yeah.
These are my Zoom customer. Very, very nice. Very, very nice customer. They pay in a rupee. These are my customer. What are you doing? It's 7-Eleven. Welcome to 7-Eleven. It is July 11th today. We're going to run the stream with a Patel accent. Just realized it's 7-Eleven. How can I help you? You're hungry? Well, I'm pretending to sleep. Where's Thirsty? Would you say Thirsty's upstairs sleeping?
Yeah.
She said, I'm hungry. Thirsty's upstairs sleeping. You're so funny, yeah. You giggling your ass off right now. You got the giggles. Yo, go. You're gonna make me fucking sit here and giggle all morning with you. Alright. Come on, Munchkin. I gotta work. But you what? When you have the iPad, is Kaya sleeping? So that's why you're here hanging on my arm. You want the iPad? Are you done?
I want the iPad.
Hold on. You done with?
Hey, Wix, you know you're gonna have to buy those long ass sticks, right? Like a few of them.
Long ass sticks.
Yeah, you're gonna have to. Shoot
I got a
lot
long
of
ass
boys
stick. I
down.
just need a wider one, honestly.
Yeah,
Gotta get that girth.
you're
in.
gonna. No, not the type of stick I was referring to. Bro, you're gonna have to shoo all the boys away. Bro, I'm already feeling it right now with my daughter, bro. I'm like, get away.
Alright.
Your
They're
girls are
still
cute,
in
man.
the
Good for you.
stroller, and you'll be like, "Nah, get away."
Yo, people come and try to touch them, and I'm using the spray. Don't touch them with your dirty hands, bro.
Kicking other people's strollers down the block.
Oh,
Take care of your
man.
kid. He's rolling down fucking Third Ave.
I've never seen women melt the way that they have looking at the iPad. They're literally like falling, melting at her feet. It's just like insane. And then when
It's
she
better than
smiles
having
at
a
them
dog.
and giggles, it is. I had dogs as well, bro. And as puppies, they love them when they were older. Now, but
Yeah,
babies,
women love
bro,
the puppies,
friggin'
but the babies, they fucking lose their damn minds.
they lose their minds seriously, bro.
Like, is
No-
she yours?
no
I'll be like,
matter
nope,
where I
just
go.
found her.
Yeah.
Just found her. I was gonna return her, but she seems to like me.
The amount of times my girlfriend grabs me by the arm hard, and she's like, nah. You know, she like grabs me closer because all the girls
Yeah.
will look at me and will look at the baby, and they're like, yeah, you're fertile. All right, oh, cute baby. Yeah, hey, look at me. My girlfriend's like, this is my man. This is my man.
You're fertile.
That's how women see
to
it.
go around. There's enough
Yeah,
jiggle.
exactly. Oh no, man, we good till we'll good till our deathbed, man. We got some we got some big kids. Oh man, I love it.
I just
love
want to trade.
it. Yeah.
All this pressure on me right now. Baby conversation.
Is your girl asking you for another one?
No, we're done. We're like,
That's it. 3.
yeah, I'm.
Not trying for a boy.
They take up so much time already, and all 3 of them right now complain that they don't get enough love from me. They don't get enough attention. They all 3 of them separately, individually, come to me and complain that I don't give them enough attention. And it's like, and they already take up all of my time. You know what I mean? So
Yeah, but a boy
like
won't
a
complain
4th
about
one,
that.
like a dog was a big help, because a dog gives them somebody to like take care of and play around, take up their time. Like it's really good, especially for the baby, right? For this one, the one that's up right now that just came over here. She's the youngest one. She got nobody to take care of. She's the baby of the family, so she acts like the baby. Everyone babied her, but now that we have a dog, she's not the baby no more. So she's taking care of the dog, helping. So she unbabies herself. She stops acting like the baby because she's not the baby anymore.
So relieves you of a little bit of the responsibility, but
I think it's good for them in the future, for the kids, in terms of like,
for growth,
in terms
100%.
of like talking to other people and connecting and communicating and being more stable emotionally, and because
and knowing
they're
the love
not
and all
baby,
that,
they
for
had
sure.
to take care of somebody else below them as well.
Yeah, 100%. The responsibility to know that that's a live thing and that you can't hurt it. You got to feed it. You got to walk it. You got to take care of it. It shows them that there's someone else other than themselves out there
Yeah,
that
yeah.
needs them. So yeah, 100%. I love that. I'm sad that all my pets passed away before I had my daughter, but I get it 100%. And that's why I would never be able to only have one kid ever, because I need them to have that brotherly or sisterly
Yeah,
bond.
the kids,
Come hell or
it's
high water.
having
Yeah,
siblings is like, it's not necessary, but it's like very beneficial for you and for the kids.
yeah, agreed. Agreed. It helps them develop more, develop better the speaking skills and not being shy and going out and doing things like that. And you don't have friends, it's no problem. You got your family, they're there to support you. It's really important. I agree 100%. Love that. Love that. So no more kids for you. All right. All right. I'm going for 4 or 5, so I got a little bit of work to do.
Yeah, maybe I'll adopt like a 7'2" Congolese kid or something. Like, but when they're like a teenager.
Be his manager of basketball.
I'm just trying to get him.
Man.
Just trying to get him before the shoe deal.
Yeah. Man. Yeah, I'm looking at. I think I'm gonna wait for the 4-hour spot to take a trade. And there's
8
nothing
minutes
on the
here,
30th. Yeah, I'm afraid of a rejection here. If it pushes up, it might just come down.
All men are. All men are.
J. What did you write, Bo? Pension date. Yeah, weren't we at 26.8K followers? She's right.
Yeah, we were at
It went down.
26.8, but like they got this weird shit called YouTube. And they've put a cap on my shit. They brought me back to 26.7. Every time I get
Yeah, I
to
think
it's been 2 or 3 times I've been at 26.8, and then I lose 20 or 30 subs the next day.
You think people sub to watch the stream and then unsub when the stream is done?
No, I doubt it. That
Okay.
many every
All
day?
right.
No.
Shady. So they're bots probably or something like that. Yeah, YouTube behave.
We've been at 26.7 pretty much the whole year. We were 26.6 beginning of the year.
Yeah, most of the chat is hating, man. There's 62 likes only, and we got 183 watching.
It's only 100
Bro,
people
I hate
subbed the
having to
entire
spam
year.
drop a like, but
Bro, we went from getting 100
Drop
subs
a
per
like.
stream to 100 subs the whole year. I don't know.
yeah,
Yeah.
shady.
YouTube playing games.
Drop a like, chat. Drop a like. Not right. Drop a like.
Are we even at 100 likes? I see 8.
Actually, 62.
I've got to refresh.
Slower, man. Takes a second to like the stream. Doesn't cost you anything. Not asking for money.
Cost you a click.
Yeah, I'm saying 70. All right. People
Unless
are
you're sitting
liking.
there with
All
a
right, go
cast
ahead.
on your index finger. Click the damn button. Technically, if we listened to Curvins yesterday, we would have took a dub right here. Pips. Right, you had that first 5-minute closure above right here. Then you have right there the first 5-minute closure. And then you have the 1 minute, the first 1 minute. Oh no, you would have never entered here. The first bullish 1 minute, and then after that first bullish 1 minute break of the highs, I think this was it. This was the first bullish 1 minute. So break of the highs would have been here. Or you would have waited for this 1 minute. That's interesting. TikTok helps a lot. Tiki-taki. Helps a lot with what? We are not on TikTok. I actually do have an account that I started a while back. I used to post and then I was like, yeah, forget TikTok. Pulling up to the 4-hour level here, right? 4-hour highs. Might get interesting, right? If we tap those 4-hour highs and come back in range. Look at that, the 5's already. The 5 held resistance. That's only the 5. Did you take it, Wix, or you wait for it to go down? I'm going to wait for it either to come down, form a support, or we're going to establish a resistance here because we're reaching the 4-hour resistance here, right? So if the next hourly can tap this area and come back down in range, I mean, we might have some sells around 9:15, 9:30. If we form a resistance at 9:30 and we start breaking lows, I'll be looking for a pullback. Right, with the 9:30 volume, expecting that to bring us down to support. Yeah, it'll probably be a bottom wick on spot. If we come down 33.60 here, think about it. If this is the hourly, and the 4-hour is pretty heavily bullish from down here, right? If we come down and form support 33.60, that's a bottom wick entry on the hourly to right back up here. But I think we can also get some sells down to there if we form a resistance here and we tap these 4-hour highs, the 4-hour resistance. How's your shoulder, Wix? It's shoulder best for the week. Yeah, it's honestly, I've been feeling it more and more. Like every day, the pain comes back a little more. So I think the shot wears off slowly. So today I felt it. But it's strange. Like I've been getting a night of sleep. Like before I couldn't even sleep through the night. I'm getting my, I'm sleeping at night, but I wake up in pain. I wake up in discomfort. I don't want to say like crazy pain, but like, Like on the scale of 1 to 10, it's like a 4, which isn't pleasant. You don't want to be in any kind of pain. But it's manageable, way better than an 8 or a 9 like it was before. 30 seconds here on this 1 hour. I think for buys, if you want to see buys, you want to blast through here. You want to just blast through to above 76, right? You want to blast another 100 pips up to really see legit buys with no 4-hour or daily level in the way. Right, look at that. We've tapped daily target on the dot. That's where you're pulling back from, the daily. Let's see what happens. Appreciate that, Creed. Take you outside with me, guys. So the hourly close, we closed at a resistance. Let's see if we can break the highs here and come back up, come back down in range. Things will get interesting, right? We've tapped a daily level. Can we get a tap of the 4-hour? Right? If we can come up here, tap that area, and still close back in range, we will be looking on the following candle, which maybe sets up then for 9:30 NYC open to pull back here. Right? Break of the lows, NYC open volume. Finally a pullback for the day. Like, that will get interesting. But we want this closure. We want the bearish closure here back in range. We don't want just to drive down. This is a strong resistance area. I like how Carvins calls it. This a strong area of contention. I don't know. I got to do the accent. Strong area of contention. Sales will be fast. Would need to be fast because counter trend trading. They don't need. It's not about slow or fast. They just need to give you enough range to take advantage of. There's 100 pips to come down here. There's enough range. 70 to 60. That would be ideal, right? Tap a 70, the 4-hour level, and then come back down in range. Or even a closure above and then back down in range after tapping 70. Psychological level. Right? And that level falls in line with the 4-hour there. Yeah, let's wait. Let's wait and smoke. NYC open might be the move here. What are we doing, gang? You guys so quiet. Wow, there's not even 200 people in here. On a Friday?
Need a smoke button next to the like button.
Yeah, right. Where is everybody? Where is everybody? Oh, Benny, you're out here. Enjoying the sun? Tanning? Benny getting that tan in. He's like on the sunniest spot outside.
You just hit your 70.
It tapped it?
Yep.
Already there? What's it doing? Is it blowing past it or is it coming back down?
Sitting there, bobbing around.
think decision making time. Decision making time. As it's coming up and tapping 70, like I said, it's got to blow through it. It's got to blow right through 70 and all the wicks above it. All right, if we can just have a straight drive through it, we can trade above it. But within this area, it's strong rejection area. I don't want to get faked out, right? Get that bottom wick, start pushing up, and just, out of nowhere drop. Because yeah, we're heavily bullish, but we have no pullbacks, and we've reached the daily resistance, 4-hour resistance, hourly resistance. At some point, it's got to show some play here, or blow straight past it, telling us that this resistance doesn't matter. You don't want to take a breakout in this situation. What you want, because there is no break, market's been driving, right? You want to take the pullback, so the breakout and pullback. Sometimes you break out and you can be part of the drive. Over here, since it's been driving, you want it to pull back. You don't want to bank on the fact that it's going to continue driving from here. You want to bank on the fact that it's going to continue driving from the pullback. This way you get, you're sitting in a much better position. Oh, pulling up. Would you say retest is the stronger move? The retest will put you in a better situation. Because you're expecting it, right? You don't want to trade with something you haven't planned for. It's a range you don't want to trade in at all. This is, like we said, this is where the daily, the 4-hour, and the hourly all reject. So from 68 to 75, you don't want to be in positions unless this range gets cleared out right now, right? So you want to push up and then buy off support. If it gets cleared out now, fine. But trade into it with all these levels that were here. Right into this area, it was not wise. Please update session trades. We didn't have any trade. Oh, sales. Yeah. Damn, that's been there since yesterday, day before yesterday. Because yesterday was 10. When in doubt, zoom out. Yep.
Hawaii. Uh-oh. Have a good time, my brother.
Nate's going to Hawaii. They're like having record shark attacks.
Shark does not have to worry about me. You have to jump out of and jump into a pool to get me. Or jump in the boat. There's a secret.
How much ounces
Very
of gold are in one mini? I tried Googling it and got to... What do you mean? What do you mean how many ounces? One contract is traded... You're trading 100... Yeah, 100 ounces. One contract is 100 ounces of gold. Right? That's what you're asking. How much gold you're trading with a contract? 100 ounces. And then the micros, I think, depends on the broker. 1 or 10 ounces. Why do you care? You're never going to get it at your door. Why does that even matter? It's one lot, exactly. Went to Hawaii for my honeymoon, and you gotta go on the tallest mountain for a morning sunrise in Maui. That sounds so dope right now, just being on top of a mountain, the breeze, the sunlight, the cliffs, the smell of cannabis in the air. Oh. The burning bush. You changed your frequency? Nah, you went on vacation, bro. You came back to reality. Oh, there goes Rabbity. There you go. Snap back to reality. Yo, this 15 is going to close here soon. Above the range. Maybe the next 15 closes below the range. The 30 holds, and then NYSE Open, we come down here. Or we stay above here. The next 15 closes bearish, but still respects 33.68. And then we are looking for buy stops on the break highs. We'll see. Things will get interesting. Next 15 is going to tell us really what we're looking for. Or it's just going to do it, right? Because you're either going to respect this area and look for breakout highs here. or you're going to fake out. And if you don't respect that area, you'll probably get a heavy closure stronger than that previous 15. And if you're getting that, that means the 30 here is closing bearish below the range. Like this. And we are looking for this fake out, break of the lows on the 30 because it held resistance, right? 15 fake out. 30 held resistance. Right? This would be the 15. This would be the 30. Right here. That's what it would look like. Or, like I said, we respect this area. It's kind of tough because you're below the 4-hour level. So you're still respecting resistance. I don't think I'll look for buys here, even if we do respect this area. Right? Even if we get a bearish closure but above it, I'm not going to look for buys on the break of the highs. I'm going to wait for a closure above here because anywhere within this range we can reject. Anywhere within here. Because of the daily 4-hour, 1-hour levels within there. So we either smash right through this or we're going to come back in range and look for sells. Capiche?
Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture. I don't give a fuck.
Straight up. This is good. Make top wick here on this candle to come down. Carbon would get surgical here. All right, he'd be like, all right, we go wait for the 15, and then the 5-minute closes here. Then you're going to get the 1 minute that's going to create resistance after the first 5-minute back into the range. Once that creates resistance, any break of that low, you're in there, and you keep your stops above that 1 minute resistance. I'd be like, that's a 4-pip stop. Like, I don't care if that's 4 pip, 7 pip, 12 pip. He said, I don't play that game, baby. You smoking inside? I'm inside outside today. I'm like a belly button. I'm doing both. I'm like a I'm like a teenager's belly button on a hot day. I be in and out. Yo, honestly, I cooked some of the best meat last night. Yo, this spider gotta get off this girl's bathing suit. Get off, bro. I keep you around for a reason, and it's not to climb on my shit. You gotta fight these mosquitoes, bro. Slacking.
So you actually did the barbecue yesterday?
Yeah, I grill, and I still got a whole bunch of halal lamb left over. And
Did you invite Green, or is he still not there?
Green? No, Green is traveling the world right now. He's a superstar.
Vegas. Yeah.
I mean,
Superstar.
he hangs out with big people. He hangs out with like actual celebrities, bro.
Nice. You got that kind of money. Legit.
I don't know how he gets in those doors.
Once you know one, it's easy to get to know all the others.
No, I mean, I don't know how he
Okay.
physically fits. You seen how big Green is?
No, I didn't see. Is he
Motherfucker
fat
walking
or is he
in
just
one thigh at a
beef
time.
muscle?
Whoop.
Oh yeah.
I wonder who
Yeah,
got
Green, you
stronger
here?
legs, Green or Bougie?
What a burn. Love, I'm no superstar. He is here.
Green at all the meet and greets.
Oh man.
He been-
Green, you beef from working out or you fat?
He's not fat. He's not horizontally challenged. That's for sure. He's in good shape.
Oh, okay. I don't know. I haven't met any of them.
Green out here buying
So-
2 seats for himself on a plane.
Bro. This is skinny.
And he puts the
He
biceps
lost
in the
35
overhead
pounds.
rack. You gotta take the biceps off, put them shits up.
Bro, 35 pounds, man? Yo, that's awesome. Congrats, Green, man. Congrats. Carlos.
Green right now weighs like what I used to weigh before my injury. That's like my highest is his lowest.
What's his height? How tall is he? How tall are you, Green?
He's the same height as me.
I don't know what you are. Are you 5'10", 5'8", 5'9"?
Yeah, I think Green is around 5'9",
5'9".
5'10". 6 foot, my guess. I thought you said 6 foot my ass.
Yeah. Bro, anytime a girl asks you how tall, you just say 6 feet. They have no idea how tall that is anyways.
Yo, look at
You
this.
use
We're
it
coming
Ozempic?
down here.
Yeah, man, nothing happened at 33.70. It just froze. No push, no nothing. It was just tried to break it like 15 times or something. Green, you're short 5'8". Damn. All right, you're average 5'8". It's average guy.
Wow, we broke that previous 15. I want this to
That's
hold.
60 pips. Jesus. Wow.
NYC open here in 7 minutes. Okay, can we close? Is it gonna drive before? That's a 4 hour. That's the 4 hour level. That's what we spoke about. Remember, tap that area and come back down, close bearish. We just spoke about this. The key is we need a closure because we are so heavily bullish. I don't want to just bounce off of here and ride straight up. So I want a closure, a pullback on another wick, bounce off resistance, and then a drive down. So maybe this comes down heavy and then pulls back up for a resistance, and then we'll look for a position. Right? Maybe a bullish closure below 33.67 again. Yeah. 7 minutes here for NYC Open. Damn. What a heavy move here, huh? 5 level. It's gonna tap it. There's something to what Kervin was saying, man.
All that moving right before the close of the candle.
Right off 70. Right, the psychological level. The 5 closing back in range, expecting, right? You're expecting a push off that level. With that 5 back in range. Technically, the 5 hasn't closed yet. Just a 100 pip drop in a few minutes.
Didn't you want it to come down to 33.60 or something and use a support there to come back up? Is that what you're thinking, Weiss?
Yeah, but do you see support formed yet? Like we just had.
No,
this
that's why I was
5-minute
asking. I
drop.
wanted to.
The 5-minute
It's rejected
drop.
right there.
I'm waiting honestly for NYC open here.
Okay.
3 minutes.
We got a lot of volume.
Ideally,
NYC, though.
we wanted the 15 to close up here, back in range, but not actually fill the range. I want to trade this. This already happened. Right?
Oh, okay.
But NYC open coming up here, so we'll see. Maybe we get this bottom wick and the pull up and then a rebreak of the lows to come down and form a support at 33.60. I mean, with a lot of volume, right? This, look at the 5. You're going to expect the next 30 to create a top wick. Up or down, I'm going to expect it to create a top wick. Whether that's going to be the hourly bullish flip or it's going to be a top wick on the next 30 to come down. I'm going to expect it to make a top wick. Well, from this area where we're at right now, if we close here. But if we start coming up here, depending on where we close and if we have a wick, things will matter. Things will change. It'd be great if we could come up here and close with no top wick right at this area. On the 15. Be the 5, sorry. It's a cool off phase, not reversal. I mean, it's fine. We're just going range to range. We don't really need the market to reverse or continue driving. Just need to take advantage of the range that it's creating. Now you're making sure lows trades are based on breaking of lows or highs, and I just want the momentum to be in my direction. when I enter, I don't want to expect the drawdown. I'll have a plan for it, but I want to expect it going straight in my direction. Ooh, this can make things better. This can make things a lot better. This leaves us range. Okay. All right. Bottom wick first here. We need a top wick. If we can get a top wick and then re-break the lows, this will be interesting. There's fucking mosquitoes in my room. I don't know how they bite me through this shit. Bit on the elbow.
Now that spider's sitting there laughing now, like, see, keep messing my house up.
Yeah,
You
I'm gonna protect you.
Yeah, exactly. You over here fussing about me being over here on the sweatsuit. Leave my house alone.
I let them all live. There's a whole bunch of them right around the entrance just because. Look at this 5. I just know that on the 30 we can make this top wick here and come right back down. Hey, bunny. Not Benny. Bunny. Benny out here like, who? Me? No, not you.
Stop it. Stop.
Benny, get away.
Hey, stop.
Pop. Pop.
Just throw it. Throw it. Nah, it smells bad.
It smells bad? That's Benny.
You smell good. Yeah, stop it. Stop.
Alright, I gotta work. Go, get it. Alright. This is what we spoke about before. Can we hold this area? It's NYC open though. Like, I don't know about it holding right now. It'd be great if we can hold this area and get a bearish closure at here so we can trade this all the way down to the bottom of the range. Looks good off the 5. I'm just not trading it off the 5. Could be a top wick here. Yeah, the only buys for me would have to be off of support here. I can't take buys into the hourly, into the 4-hour, into the daily. I'd rather blast right through them all. Yeah, we got our top wick. Problem is we got our top wick and it's NYC open and it's just driving up. So on a bullish day.
I'm gonna go down.
Hmm? You don't want to buy into this and then into this. But if it clears it all out, then I'll trade it. Yeah, ideally we close bearish at resistance on the 30, right? So you'd want a top wick and a rebreak of the lows. You got a bottom wick first here and then market rode up into the 1-hour resistance, into the 4-hour, into the 30. Yeah, I see it on the 5, but that's the only time frame it looks decent on. Everything else was closing back in range, fake out. So as you flip bullish, there's a high likelihood you're going to flip right back bearish and break the lows until you get this closure above. Hey, hey, hey. Too loud. Alright, turn on the TV, either here or over there. Stop messing with him, because he's getting wild. Yo, Benny,
I'm not messing with him.
you're about to go in the pool, bro. In the pool. You want to go in the pool? Oh, shit. You biting me? You trying to bite me, dumbass? Hey. Hey. Alright, get off me. Get off me, bro. Hey. Hey. You're about spot. Alright, spot.
No, let him in the pool.
Spot.
Let him in the pool.
Go. Spot.
Let him in the pool.
Spot. 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 Yeah, you don't like that, huh? Down. Down. Chill. Chill out. This guy. This guy. He's out here biting my elbow. Idiot. Oh, we're coming back down. We're coming back down. What's the stops here? Damn, 83 pips. Hello? Hold on, gang. Oh, damn it. Sorry, I didn't realize I was me. I was saying, is Bougie here? Maybe Bougie will remember this position from a couple of days ago. Is Bougie here?
No, I don't think he's going to be here the entire week. He's working overtime. He mentioned in Discord. So
He
I
had this in
think,
Asian session a few days ago where this candle closed below here and then the break of the lows in the following candle.
Okay.
Really took him down. So if this candle closes below 33.68 here, it doesn't look like it now.
Stop biting people. Keep biting.
He keeps biting you. He's trying to bite you.
Keep biting people.
I think he's telling you not to go in the pool.
No, I'm not even going in the pool.
You want to go in the pool? Huh? Not right now? Okay. Tuesday night, yeah. I think it was Tuesday. No, it was Wednesday night, I think. Wow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Little gladiator candle there, closed above. Yeah. I'm not a big fan of this seller play on break of the highs as that previous candle closed in range, right? So until this candle closes above, not just starts breaking highs, I can't do anything. Need an actual closure. And it might push, right? But I need an actual closure. Because it might not push. Whoa. What was that, Benny? He pressed my chair button with the paw and he brought me down. He went like this and brought my chair down. He went. What are you doing? Stop biting me! Stop biting me. Being a little shark over here. Pop. Stop biting me. Up. He got his paw on me. Get your paw off of me, bro. He keeps bringing my chair down. You're cute, bro, but you're not too bright. Look at this. We're re-breaking the lows, or re-flipping. We're not re-breaking the lows yet. Just flip bearish on this 30. So anyway, this might be the bougie position that he had from 2 days ago. Right? All we gotta do is wait for this 15 to close, and we'll have sell stops on the break of the lows here. All right. Stop yelling. Stop. Can you girls take him out there, or because you're too loud, both of you, all three of you. Stop chewing shoes. There's 90 seconds here. All we need is a closure. We'll have sell stops on a break of the lows here, right? It was NYC open here, and it broke the highs. They had a chance to drive. Didn't do it. Got 1 minute left, right? Created resistance, broke that resistance high price-wise. It broke, but it didn't close. It didn't have enough to maintain that bullish momentum, right? So now you're getting closure back below the range. Price respecting 33.68. For now, we got 40 seconds left. A lot could happen here. 30 seconds here. Once we close here in 20 seconds, break of the previous 15 low, we are looking for sells. Give me one sec. I put a sell stop here in the signal channel, but I haven't put one on screen yet because we need to make a top wick on this candle. Give me a sec. Go, making a top wick. All right, we're gonna have a sell stop here on a break of that low. It's a big stop, so go lower. I'm gonna go with a 3 lot here. All right, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. If we break highs, if it re-breaks its own high, we might use current candle stops. Give me one sec. I'm about to have a trade. You know what we're going to do here? Instead of just current candle stops, we're going to have the break of this low here. 1 second. Yes, how can I help you?
Where's my glow in the dark toy?
Oh, you want to do what?
Where's my glow in the dark toy?
I don't know. I didn't touch it. That I don't know. How much room is this? No, can you close that? Can you close the door, please? Let's do this. All right. Once we flip, the stops are previous candle. Once we break the lows and we're activated. But as we start filling this wick, I'll bring them down to the current candle. I just want to see how far we get. This is the bougie position from a couple of days ago. All right, all right. Almost. Almost. The entry for me is the previous 5, break of the previous 5. See that? What the fuck? How are we activated and price never got there? Closing partials right there at 18. Moving stops to break even. Oh shit, I forgot to close anything here. Hold on, let's mark it by 3. Close partials right there and move stops to break even. I didn't even get a chance to manage. Let's see if this can drop here. What's the full TP? Let's have this candle, this whole bullish candle right there. 59 area. So I've closed 65% of my position. And boom, B hit. W. Congrats. All right, I closed 70% of my position at how much was it? 16 pips. Oh, it's 15 in the signal. It's 16 pips. We can't risk coming back to break even and then filling the wick back up on such a bullish day, right? Look at this. The hourly's still bullish. We can only risk our advantage point. Right? We filled the wick, and I told you, soon once we start filling the wick, we'll start bringing that stop down and taking risk off the table, because the advantage point is filled, and at that point, after that, it's either you're gonna get the rest of it, or you know, you lose nothing. You're playing with house money, and then you wait for the next setup. Maybe the next setup drives, right? Whoever said counter trend trade was going to be quick, you were correct, right? Because it's counter trend. You're going to expect less out of the position than you are out of a trade with structure, because with structure, you should get a lot more, right? The market continues to drive. How much did it give us total? Our press closes at 18. Right there, that was entry. So it gave you a total of 24, yeah. Perfect. Great closure. The only thing I'm surprised at is on the break of that low. I figured it's going to come down here to 56 areas. Maybe it still will, right? But this price has to maintain below 33.68. Trailing, powerful technique. Yeah, I saw what Don does, and he's just, once the volume comes in, he's trailing heavy. Well, I've seen the reels that he posts, but we've already, you know, at that point when you're trailing like that, you leave no room for a runner. You can have a little bit of a pullback, and if we've secured 80% of the position, 70% of the position, the remaining 30, you really want it to pay you. The point of the runner is to pay you at least what your original position, you know, original closure paid you, to get at least that much more. So on that 30%, yeah, you know, the profits on that remaining 20-30% are minimal unless you get a heavy runner. So that's why, you know, that's why I don't trail price. I just, once you get a runner, I let it run. Time lapse of the sunrise on the tallest mountain there. Damn, you're basically in the clouds. This shit looks like you're at the ceiling. That's crazy. That's dope. That's pretty dope. Tranquility. Looks peaceful as hell. Oh, don't dip. We're going to do a giveaway here. We're going to do a giveaway, and we might have more positions. Still possible. Like, I think this thing needs to come down, but we'll see. It's holding the hourly and the 30 and the 4 hour and the daily here. It's holding it so far, right? All in this area. So I think as long as it's holding it here, we should still see price come down. Bring back smoking on planes? No, I'm good. Get yourself a PJ for that. You on your own in that one. Halekala Visitor Center. Aloha. Clubhouse PJ. Man. At the rate YouTube is is promoting me, the way YouTube algo works right now, it's gonna be a little while.
They don't know about that Kevin Hart.
This is indecisive 1 hour here right now. So I'm afraid of, right? It's Friday. We don't have a catalyst. We don't have any news coming up. There's no red folders. We've driven the entire day and we've reached the daily resistance. Like, I think we might see a bit of ranging in this area. We're already ranging in this area. Just with a doji 1 hour, right? It's an indecisive 1 hour. This whole thing's a range. Top wick to the bottom wick. And price might just bounce between here. Honest question, do you think it's because you mainly go live and don't have mid-form and short-form videos like YouTube? At this point, the YouTube algo, or in general, the algos on social media have gone away from short form, from like 15-second clip, minute clip. That's why you see the reels getting longer, the shorts getting longer. They're really, the algo is really pushing like, yeah, 10 to 15 minute videos, 30-minute video, long form content, right? Yeah, I gotta start making more of those. It's been tough to, you know, do all that when in pain, but yeah, the longer form content is what the algo's pushing. In terms of streaming, I just think there's a lot of competition. I just think there's, at one point, like when you're like 1 or 2 people streaming, but now there's like, you probably, if you search up YouTube live stream for the New York session, it's probably like 20-30 people streaming. Plus ICT is a cult. Re-breaking. Re-flipping bearish here. Benny and the kids walked into the office this morning, destroyed the entire room, and left. Shit everywhere. One minute. One minute here. Yeah, or at least closing a bit of a pullback, right? Bearish at resistance, but look how bullish the 4-hour is. There's a level here, like, right? That's the daily level and the 4-hour level up here, but you're closing below this level here too, right? You have kind of that head shoulder area happening, right? You have your shampoo play happening. Interesting. You know, sells here wouldn't be bad, but you'd want a bottom wick to be made, which you just had. Well, that doesn't look bad, honestly. I just want a steeper top wick, but this 1 hour looks like it's going to come down here. If we can re-break highs here, I'll set a sell stop. That'd be amazing. It came down, it flipped bearish, and then it's re-breaking highs. At that point now, if it reflips bearish, can this come down? Ooh. Yeah, chat. Let's do this. Man, I want this flip here. But if we flip, there's a reason we never broke this wick. We can continue rejecting there. All right, let's go less risk on here. It's going to be the break of the previous 1 hour low right here. But it's going to be a current candle stop, and I'm going to go with a 3. Stop, sell 3. Previous trade was a 4. Because the hourly levels is down there. This was our original target, this clean candle to the left. So 27 pips, that's partials. Right there. So everything is set, right? Everything's determined. All you got to determine is your risk, right? This is where you're going to get in. This is where partials are secured. And it's going to be a current candle stop wherever this candle tops out. Looking for a 4-hour candle retest. Once the 4 hour starts re-breaking highs, then. Man, this 4 hour looks so good. A 4 hour looks good, right? If it breaks the low. And then comes back up, re-breaks highs. Yeah, I think I'd rather have buys there. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to delete this. Tap in this area. This is interesting. I don't want to come down, but I know the 4 hour needs a bottom wick if it starts making one, right? You also don't want to entry here. So I think I'd rather look for buys here. Let's see if it starts coming. You know what we're gonna do? I'm gonna make this a smaller trade. I just don't trust it, but I'm gonna go with a 2-lot. So less risk. And make this a 2-lot. And I'm gonna move stops to B as soon as that wick is filled. I'm gonna move stops to B as soon as the previous wick is filled. Just banking on this current 4-hour to make some kind of bottom wick. And we're at a 4-hour resistance and the hourly close bearish. I'm only looking to fill the wick before I move my stops. So we're heavily bullish here. But the 4-hour closed that resistance. Look at this level. So if we start making a bottom wick, it's going to be a heavy drive on the 4-hour. Once we start closing above here, or price pushing above there, I'll look to delete. And I'll look for buys. We'll be here through 11. I think we might. There's a lot of volume. There's a chance we get another position. Yeah, it's going to be current candle stops and a smaller lot size. See, this is a 2. So it's a really, really bullish day here. He still speaks to Don. I haven't spoken to him since his birthday. If the 15 starts closing bullish, I will delete. Right? Because at that point, we're just going to... It can make a bottom wick, support is holding, and continue up on the 4-hour. Look at the previous 4. Look how much room there is to correct. And it was a clean move, right? So if you're going to correct it, you're going to correct it down to 55 pretty clean. I'm going to have it a bit lower. I'm going to have it below that 5. Right there. Got to be this 15. It's got to be this 15. If it doesn't flip on this 15 and it stays bullish, I'll delete. If we get a bullish 15 closure. Look at all these rejections from the top side. Yo, we hear you, Steve-O. Yeah, just let the Zoom door in. 20 seconds here. Oh, no. We got another 5 minutes. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 4 minutes. It's a lot of time. Steve-O disturbing the peace. Either we get activated or we delete, and then we wait again for closures outside the range. You want a slingshot. You want this bounce off that level on 33.68 and a heavy push down. Ideally. And that previous 15 also closed above the below the most recent close bearish. There's a wick to fill, right? It's rejected here. This current 15 hasn't broken that level. If it breaks the low, it's creating a lower low after making a lower high. But the overall, look at the daily, how bullish. Look at the 4 hour, pretty bullish. Good thing is our entry is the break of the current 4 hour low. 3 minutes. Do we delete? Remember, price has been driving like the last 2 minutes of the candles. Last 2 minutes. Volume time. Volume time. Hit me. One minute, 80 seconds here. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna delete this here. There's 1 minute left in this 15. Oh, wait, let me. Delete, delete, delete. Oh, really? This shit's gonna activate right now with 30 seconds. I'm gonna be tight. If this flips right now with 20 seconds to go. There we go. This is good. Closing above this area. there's a top wick here. This is good, right? You're making this top wick. If you just came down without a top wick, you're thinking this can flip. But if it starts flipping now, I mean, I don't think I'll be in this. I'll probably need a actual closure below the 15. But the hourly and the 4 hour looks so lovely because the 4 hour is going to need that bottom wick. If it rejects here, it's going to drive heavy. Damn, that's volume kicking in. It's a nice looking 5 too. Damn, this looks so good. Yeah, I'm not taking this break of the lows here. It looks great on 30, on the 1 hour, on the looks great on the 4 hour. I'm just skeptical. That 15 formed a support here. Any break of the highs on a bullish 4 hour, right? Damn. It just tried to come down though, so if it tries again, it's a stronger push. Still looking for sells on the break. Yeah, I'm thinking of adding it back on because this is heavy volume coming down here. Like based on the higher time frame, you should like look at this. This looks great here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add it. Risk it for the biscuit. It looks so good on the higher time frame here. Right, the 30s attempted to come up here. It bounced off this area once also. It wasn't like it's driving down here and it's bounced. It came down here, it bounced off this area. Now it's re-breaking that low. You know what? Let me set that here. Yeah. I'm going to go with a smaller risk here. Right? Like I said, 2 lot. Oh, I think we're activated. All right. Buy limit. That's it. Ooh, bounced off of here. $5 minute. 5-minute top wick. 5-minute top wick. And its current candle stops. Wow. Wow. This is stop right here, current candle. And if it breaks that, I might actually take another entry. If this flips breaks highs, I gotta buy stop at this level. Because that would, at that point, we've got a bottom wick on the 4-hour and we're flipping on the 30. We broke highs. LOL. All right. We just broke highs on the 30. Push. And on the hourly. We rebroke highs after grabbing that bottom wick. Rebroke highs again. All right. I'm not playing this game here. Yeah, I'm expecting an immediate drive once it re-break highs. If it bounces off of here, then I'm just going to wait for this closure above here. That was ugly. Yeah, I had a buy stop here. I put my stop there and I put a buy stop there. But it didn't drive. It broke the high and pulled back. And I want the immediate drive. If it doesn't drive, that means it's going to bounce around here. And if it's going to bounce around here, I'd want a closure above. Once it closes above, you see it's bouncing. It's tapping that area. Once it rebroke highs, I want it to push. If it doesn't push immediately, then I got to wait. Last trade on stream, your account, you unfortunately lost total 33 pips. That's fine. It's 33, but it's much smaller lot than the first one, so technically break even. There we go. Now it's pushing. Once we get a closure above here, I'll look for more positions. Four minutes here. Once this closes here in 4 minutes, as long as we're above this area, then I'll look for buys. Gold's going crazy. It's ranging. It's bouncing up and down. If it starts breaking down, re-breaking lows, I'll just put another sell stop there. But now I want a closure. We broke lows, we broke highs, and it bounced and didn't drive. $15 might close like candle. If that happens and we get a top wick, then I'll take a sell after we get a bearish flip. If we get a late candle. It wouldn't be a late candle if you close above here with a top wick. It wouldn't be a late candle. Push, 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 push. 2 minutes. We can get this closure. If your hands are shaking over, yeah, that's why that was a 2 lot. Just yeah, this count was like 2,400 for the week, so probably at like 1,600. Push, push, there we go.
Last 2 minutes of the candle, that's why.
Yeah, but I'm banking on that rebreak of the highs and the immediate push when it happens. "20 seconds. I'm gonna be here probably till around 11, but I think we could have another opportunity. Probably take another trade. Ooh, top wick first. Careful here. So you don't use Meta 5 anymore? I do. I'm down $380 on MetaTrader today on my live account. Yeah, so break-even type of day in the MetaTrader. This is good. This is good. I'll take these pops. If we can break out this chop to the left. It's a good candle. You just need a bottom wick here. If we had a bottom wick on this candle, we've closed above here on the 30. Just looking to break our highs. Wow. Yeah, we're going to do a giveaway at around 11. I really want a position here. Like a decent position.
Yeah, I just pulled partial on my prop firm at 3371.9, just right at
Did
the
you
top.
take the rebreak?
Yeah, I did. No, I actually got in before you did. On when you closed the sales, I closed, and then I got in on the top, and I doubled my lot size, and then I pushed and I closed partials at 3179, and
Yeah, I doubled the
and
lot size on the buys there as well, but
yeah.
it didn't push immediately.
Yeah, yeah, for me, I doubled the size, and then I rebought on the new 30 where they pushed up and caught a little bit more, and then now I'm locked out for the day. I just no, not yet. Sorry, I'm almost there. I'm $100 away, but I think
From
I'm
being
just gonna
locked out?
stop.
Oh, you
Yeah.
took a sell right here on the flip for a quick 100.
No, I'm good. I'm very content
said, "No,
with
I'm good."
this. Bro, it's a Friday, man. I don't want to fuck around and mess around. Yeah, I needed to take some partials up there. Hopefully people got some too. But because it created the top wick first, I was like, whatever has high goes, and just
That's interesting though.
Yeah, I jumped in after we got knocked out on the buys. I'm still up about 19, 20 pips.
Yeah, did you close partials too? Or are you still letting it run?
I'm letting it run because I was at a low lot, so I'm just letting it run.
Oh, okay. You got in at 67 as well on futures?
66.5, yeah.
Oh, even
Makes
better.
sense. Yeah.
All right. I mean, if the 15
That's the
doesn't
rebreak.
re-break,
That was pretty much the
Yeah.
rebreak.
Pretty much the rebreak, yeah. I mean, I was in before, but yeah.
the sells made sense. I was in there as well. The sells made sense. It was trying to push down. It pushed back down. It hit us and just wicked us in.
It
Came
just
in
makes
and then
sense
just
because the 4 hour
went
had
the other way.
no bottom wick and you're a 4 hour resistance. Like,
Yeah.
you might tap it now that you're back here
I'm glad you
again
closed
and
it.
don't break it. I think it might come back down also. Might do that again.
Yeah, I'm glad you closed the sells at a loss and then right away get into the buys because
The buys make
not
sense
many
there
times
too.
will
It's-
people do that. Yeah. Yeah.
Typically, I'll let the buys run, and it's a quick pop. Like last time we did that in the signals, it was a quick pop for the buys. Over here, just kind of waited till the last minute of the candle.
And look at it push back up now. It never broke. The 15 never flipped.
Yeah, if it
30
flips,
either.
it's going to take me out. That's what my stop loss is, the 15 pips if it flips.
68.7 or something. Yeah.
I take that. Yeah, I take them 15 pips. But,
Oh, hell yeah.
I'm still in.
Yeah, for sure. I mean, it's pushing back up now. It's 10 pips above, so it's
Mhm.
20 pips away from the high. I
I
don't
was
know
scared
where you
when
would want to take.
I was scared when it
partials,
didn't
but-
have a bottom wick. I was like, oh man, it's going to come back down. I know it.
Yeah, but you
Close
know,
above here,
Kerwin.
and the next 15 gives it a bottom wick, flips to 30. We can look for buys to fill the wick here. It's got to close
And-
above.
and
If it
Kerwin
closes
talked
below,
about-
We'll look
Sorry.
for sells.
Sorry, yeah, I was just gonna say Kerwin doesn't always necessarily need a bottom wick to get into the position. And I was listening to that, I was like, okay, interesting, and that's
It doesn't
why I
need one,
actually got
just,
back in as
in
well.
terms of recognizing volume, right?
Yeah,
But you're also buying into a resistance. So as we bought, I'm expecting to smash through it, right? If it doesn't smash through it, we're holding it.
Bro, I was so bullish this morning, so I was surprised when we were taking sells, but I was so bullish today.
You're at a daily
I was like, wait.
resistance. I mean, like
That was at a big
at
Yeah.
some point, and sometimes you're at a daily resistance. That's just where you're gonna reject and not come back there.
I mean, the resistance was 71 or something. We just broke through it and we rebroke the highs right now
Yeah, it's
again, right?
smashing through the highs.
Bro, this is gonna fucking go to the moon. Let's see. I mean, whoever's in there, grab some partials if you want to and
There's a level
protect
here,
your.
though, right there. That blue line, that's a
Yeah.
level.
Oh, somebody's at the door. Ooh. Sorry. I think I put that one.
Let him go. Where's Benny? Benny. Oh, he's out there. You're gonna melt, bro. Come on. Keeps trying to break that level. Keeps respecting it. Nice. All right, I think this is going to be our last attempt here. Six minutes for this 15. Yeah, I would rather. I honestly, I would rather have sells here.
Yeah, my trailing stop loss just got hit, so I'm gonna sit back and see what it do.
This is the daily. Look where we are. I mean, if it smashes the highs here, there's a lot of room. But on a Friday at this daily level, I'd rather have sells. Yeah, I'd rather look like this here. Five minutes. 5 minutes. How did you lose the equivalent of 30 pips in the B? I wasn't B. I risked 30 pips, but I risked it at 2 lots. So my first trade on the signal account was 8 lots, and my second trade was 3 lots. He's technically in B. Well, it depends how you look at it. I'm minus $380, but in terms of pips, yeah. In terms of pip value, that's usually like anywhere like 4 to 5 pips for me.
Yeah, Hank. Right now he's currently in a
Get on
buy.
the plane.
Hank, he's in a buy since 3367.0 on futures, and he's up
Who's Hank?
41 pips. Yeah, Hank is a little confused with what's going on, so that's what I was telling him. Yeah, he's in a position right now.
Who?
He's in buys.
Who are we talking about?
You. Hank is asking.
No, I
Aren't you?
closed my position. No, I closed.
Oh, you closed your position.
Yeah.
Oh wait, did I miss something? When did you close?
Down here.
But your buy stop got activated. Where is it? Wait, I'm confused.
Let's go to the signals.
Yeah, I'm seeing a buy stop at 66.9, and you had your stop loss at 66.8. So you got activated, and you're activated right now.
No, I closed everything. Closed.
The fuck? Yo, I took the buys, bro. That's how I made the money back.
No, I know, but I closed them.
Oh, I thought you were still in there.
No, I closed them.
Bro. I thought you were still in there, and that's why I was like, yo, we're taking
it doesn't say that I closed them, but yeah, I closed them. I thought the signal channel got it. I don't know why the signals didn't get it.
Yeah, I don't see anything. I just see
buys
the
are
close of the
closed.
seller.
If you guys are still in buys, close them.
Yeah, close them now. It rebroke the highs, but you're good. God damn.
Yo,
bro, I thought you were still in buys, bro.
Close all positions.
Holy shit. Thank God. At least it would have. Yeah, it's a nice position, though. It was 50 pips if you had
Signals
taken it
8.
as well.
Yeah,
They're not showing he closed buys. Yeah, Reg is confirming. Yeah, we don't see anything. God damn. All right, well, it's a nice profit if you were in buys, so congrats. Yeah. God damn.
Damn, you guys ate an extra 40
50,
pips
60
here.
pips?
No, 40 pips.
Wow. That's paying into that.
Yeah, no, I got 14. You guys got like 50.
So you're basically almost B for the day on your live?
Yeah, I'm B for the day on my live. Basically, I'm still minus down. Minus 380.
Yeah, I see you're minus $800 on the prop. So hold on, I'm confused. Why didn't you take the buys then? I don't understand.
I did take the buys. I closed them out when we started pulling back, rejecting. I have 14 pips secured on the buys.
Oh, okay. Okay, so you're minus 4
I'm just
pips
wondering
technically
why
for
you
the
guys
day.
didn't get
All
that.
right.
Get off me. Get off me. Go outside. Go outside, bro. Go. Go. It's all yours. Dumbass. Wow.
All right.
You guys ate
So
from 33.69.4. You had another 46 pips, 45 pips.
So you want to update the session trades? Plus 15, minus 33, and plus 14?
We're just gonna.
And the record as well?
We're gonna put 2 and 1. We're gonna put 2 wins, 1 loss.
Yeah.
Damn, signals are eating.
Seriously.
What the fuck?
I thought you were still in, bro. I was like, I'm taking the same position.
Signal's fucking A. You used to use the long short position too. I haven't done that because we kind of see the. I typically take most of the trades the same way, but on here I would. On here I don't. Actually got them right there. I haven't used these in a long time because we're kind of trading on screen, so we haven't really needed to. Damn, I'm kind of tight. You guys had 50 more pips than me. It just be like that sometimes. I swear, people in the Signal channel are doing better than me.
Jay was saying, yeah, Hank's confused. No, we're confused. I'm like, what are you talking about? What buys? I'm like, where that happened?
Yeah, no, you're
I was
right. The signals doesn't show close. It just shows the open. Motherfuckers. Fuck y'all, man. This is bullshit. I'm about to join my own signals. And just start taking them. Well, he ain't say close. I'ma hold it. Wait a minute. You fuckers. Damn, y'all got me tight. I wish I didn't know that. Now I need more pips. We need more pips. Yeah, that's kind of ugly. Right there, that 835. Yeah, I'm not taking buys into here, into this rejection here. That's why I said I'd rather, after all of that, come down here. Yeah, we're going to do a giveaway in about 15 minutes. What was it? 2 wins, 1 loss. That light candle on the 5. Not a big fan of levels like this. It's too much fuckery. So many buy stops sitting right there. Are all those orders enough to, push the market back? You didn't post a new one? What are you talking about?
I think he's talking about your Instagram reel. Normally we comment on the last reel, but he says he didn't post a new one. Should we comment on the last one?
Hold on. I did post a new one.
Oh yeah, I see it.
It's about Jay.
I,
It's about Jay.
I know, Jewish heritage popping out. I see it. I remember that conversation.
Go comment on the last reel. Yeah, it's there. That's a good one. Yeah, hitting that 75 level, there's no buys here. Not looking for any. Buys were on the reflip or the rebreak of the high here on the 30. Yeah, buys were 68 areas. An Oy vey a day with Jay. Where's the tip of this wick? What's the stop here? 15 pips? Oh, I build up off of it already.
Right at 75.
Yeah.
It's round number.
Yeah, I was looking to see if we can get a sell in there, but it already tapped it. We're already late. It's going to break the high because you get like a 15 pip stop here. This is interesting. I mean, you can play that game, probably work. I just remember what Kervin said. It's a bullish day, right? If this was a bearish day, he's looking for that rejection there. On a bullish day, you can just blast right through it. Let's see. Probably take a sell right here. Boom, 11 pip stop. But it's a bullish day, not a bearish day. Yeah. Smashed it. Still running from 63. Wow, nice job. Yeah, and our entries was at 68. 68 areas. Or 67 areas. Somewhere down here. Yeah, the signal's really 8. I made a mistake. You guys didn't get 45 more pips. You guys got 55 more pips than me. Yeah, we are now closing the trade out. Yeah, whatever. I mean, congrats to the Signal channel.
It's been a while since I heard you be annoyed when we're in wins. Oh man. Nate, how are you? You're on the island of Hawaii. You've got your phone walking around taking pictures, but you're trading too? Bro, that's commitment. Giveaway in 2 minutes, people, after the hourly close. Oh, you're on the plane. All right. You got Wi-Fi, legit.
Jump. You see the gorilla videos? The Yeti? He's
No.
like, he said, holy shit, chat, I just respawned in the air. He's flying down. He's like, with no parachute. I'm fucked. Holy shit, chat, I just respawned in the air.
The video game. You're on the plane. So congrats, Crystal. You got what, 100 pips, 120 pips on that? Insane.
Yeah, good job. Whatever, bro. Enjoy your fucking pips.
I'm sorry, bro. Yeah, he took it right off the 4-hour flip, bro. Right off the 4-hour flip. 140 pips since then, man. It just boom. That's massive. Massive.
The hourly closing here. All right, let's do a giveaway and we'll get back to this. I think we could be here for another 15-20 minutes. See what this does. Why is this off? All right, let's go. You guys are ready? All right, and the winner is... Do we have one? Yes, we do. The winner is... that guy. And double Italy.
Bro, it says indubitably.
And Dub Italy. That guy. That guy won. Congratulations to that guy. W. All right, DM me from that account, Slide, if that's you. All right, with your full name and your email and proof that you follow and sub. In Dublin, Italy. Let's go. Dublin, Italy. Prove it. As you can see, chat, I'm standing here in front of the Eiffel Tower in Berlin, right? In the country of Spain. On the continent of Africa. You guys can see this. Yeah. Be here till 11:30. I got some time. Just got notified that I got some time. I think we're pushing above everything, right? This is the last closure until this clean range to the left. But I want a bottom wick here, so I'd want closures above and then price to come back down, create that bottom wick. We want to pull back. If we could do that and then break highs, I'll look for more positions to fill some of this clean range to the left. Or we flip bearish and we hold. See you next week. Yep. See you next week. can't send screenshot for proof yet. Yeah, I gotta reply to you. If you already sent me a message, just send me a DM on Instagram. Make sure it's from that account. What a bullish freaking day. Re-breaking highs again. Broke. 6 minutes here for this 15. Then we're gonna need a bottom wick. $84 for target here on a daily. Yeah, London closes in about half hour. So our last bit of volume for the morning. Let's see. 3 minutes for the 15. And if we close above, we want the 30 and this hourly to have a bottom wick and attempt to come down. So ideally, the 15 can do something like this. Come down here, create that bottom wick. Then we can look for breaks of highs. But I want this bottom wick to be created here on the 30 and the hourly. And the next 15 is our chance for that. Two and a half minutes. I know that much. I know that for 2.5 minutes, there won't be positions. Break a highs, break a lows, whatever it does. That previous 5 pushed up and closed respecting as well. One minute. All right, 30 seconds here. We need a couple of things. We need a top wick on this candle. I'm gonna need price to pull back down into range here below 33.75. Gonna slide out, see you in Sunday Zoom. Yeah, we'll be in on Sunday. We'll be in there almost Sunday. We'll be here probably for this last 15. Maybe we set up, maybe we don't. I just want to break the lows here on this current 30 and then re-break highs for a buy stop. Damn, didn't really break it. It's too small of a wick. We never broke the 30 low. It's a good level. Ten seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, that looks good. I just want to break the 30 low. How much stops this here? I might do that. Last position. Let's see if we can ride up here, and it's going to be this current. Buy stop's going to be a small one. 3. Break at a highs here. Let's see, it's going to be current candle low, or actually previous, the 30 flip. We'll do that. Let's see if we can ride up here, or we'll do a 30 flip. Not risking too much, only a 3 lot, but we'll look to ride up to the top of the range. Or we just break the 30 low. And that will be it. You know what? Let's move stops to break even here. Let's see if this can push. Yeah, I'll move stops to break even, and let's see. Either we push here. Close partials right there at 16. So I just sold partials right there, and let's see if we can ride up to the top of the range. Right. You know what? Let's close full right there. Boom. Just closed full. Yeah. Lovely. Lovely. So that's it. That's it. Well, that's going to end my day at $1,800 on the live account and break even here. Minus 3 pips on the funded for the day. Minus 145 on the funded and plus 1,700 and change on the live. Congrats. Let's add another W to the record here. Amazing. Very low risk, right? About 20. Well, it was a 40 pip stop initially, but I don't think I would have let it come down past this area. W. Okay, now that's the session. That's the London close volume here, right? London's closing here in 8 minutes. Win number 510. Great. So three dubs, 1 loss. Yeah, perfect. Perfect close to the day. Perfect close. I was just tight that the signals got that runner. I probably would have closed the session out if the signals didn't get that runner, because I was over here salty.
You got it though, man. A nice 28 pip trade there. Congrats, man. Great job.
I was sitting here like tight, like these guys cannot walk away with a much bigger day than me. It's impossible. Not gonna happen. I still walked away with a bigger day than me. Honestly, thanks to Jay. Thanks to Jay. Otherwise, I wouldn't have stayed. If he didn't answer Hank, I really would not have stuck around.
Bro, I really thought you were still in. Yo, man, congrats to everybody. Yeah, if you got those trades today, got a W, drop a like. That's really appreciated. Also, at midnight tonight Eastern time, Top 1 Futures promo is gone.
Expiring.
It's 55. Sorry?
It's expiring today at midnight.
Yeah, correct. 35% on instant funded with code WIX and 55% off on challenges and S2F, but go get an instant funded or an S2F. It's direct funds. Go get that money. Code Wix, get a discount. Take advantage. Right now, S2F, you can get 9 trading accounts. 9.
Yeah,
and the copy trader is included. Yeah, it's included. The copy trader in the system, and you don't have to buy data. It's all included in there. You just add them all in the copy trade. If you're not sure how to do that, go into the Discord, and we'll be happy to help you. Tag my name or tag Wix's name or Eddie's name or any of the moderators. We'll be happy to guide you through it and help you. And then, yeah, man, W day. Awesome day, seriously.
Instant funding does not give 35. No, yes, it does. You use their code, it's 30, but if you use Wix, it's 35. So don't use their code, use Wix. It's 35 for instant funded and 55 for challenges and straight to funded. All right, so yeah, just did it. Awesome, amazing. Yeah, but you don't need to load up right now. Actually, you do, because today's the last day of the giveaway of the, of the discount code. But I'm sure they're going to be running another promo next. They're always running a promo. But yeah, today's the last day for 35% off instant funded and 55% off challenge and straight to funded. So go get it today, but be ready for Sunday. Sunday, we're going to do a giveaway in the private channel, right? So for next week's market open, which is Sunday, 8 p.m. Eastern, we'll run our private session and we'll give away a 50K account there. So if you're part of the signals, I expect to see you there. If you're not, you got a couple days to join, so you could be part of that session. Signals 8 today. Signals fucking caked it today. Damn. You guys had like 60, 30, you had a minus 30, and you had like a 10. Or how much did you have in the morning? What was our first trade? 15. You guys ate. All right. Oh, you know what we haven't done? My phone died yesterday, but it's not. It's a 3% battery. How is this phone never charged? 3%. You know what we could do? I could film a video at 3%, right? Or it's not going to let me. The phone's going to tell me you don't have enough memory. Let's give it 30 seconds. There's 150 of you on here. We need at least like 50 of you to spam W, so... Give it a minute. Hold on. Give it 1 minute. Let's hang out. Let's talk about things. How's the weather? Let's do elevator talk. You know what I'm going to do right here, chat? Not take a trade. We had a really good closure. We closed out perfectly. Yeah, thank you for bringing that to my attention today, Jay. I wasn't liking you for a good hour. For a good hour, I was like, man, if they don't shut up.
You can just ban me if you don't like it. Unmod me.
Oh,
it's over.
Shit. Yo, if you're still here, the guy that won today, I saw your DM and I deleted it. I thought it was spam. My bad. I just saw it. DM me again. Can you do it? Fuck. If you're yeah. I just saw it. I saw it and I deleted it by mistake. Do it again or DM me on Discord if you can, because I missed you.
The guy at Endu, you mean? Endu, but literally? Italy?
Literally?
Endu,
Yeah.
Italy? Endu,
Yeah.
Italy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, what kind of name is that right now? I didn't realize that was the winner. I couldn't read it in my DMs either. I was like, delete. And then I realized that's the winner. What account? What are you talking about? I don't do no giveaways. What do you mean? Okay, sent. Perfect. Gotcha. Hold on. We might be charged already. Yeah, we're at 7% right now. We can run this. We can run a video until 5% battery. All right, yo, spam some dubs, chat. Let's go. Let's fucking do it. All right, or Jay. Anyone else than Jay, other than Jay?
There we go.
All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Very much. Oh, wow. What a name. McClit. Oh. McLil T. It's like, what a name. McClit. You McClinton. Yo, let's call it. The 30 closed. It's bullish. Fuck, we could have more positions here. No. Let's call it a session. Let's call it a week. Congrats to everybody that showed up today. Congrats to Mr. Italy for winning the 25K account. I'll see you guys on Sunday for our private session. Make sure you show up, and we'll do a 50K giveaway there. Eddie's not allowed to enter. It's been a little while since Eddie won, actually, so it's all good. All right, gangs. Zoom gang, see you guys in the clubhouse side of things. Mods, thank you very much. And yeah, that's our session. Signal channel, go take it easy. I'm gonna call it a session. I'm gonna shut everything down, and I'm gonna see if I can roll a fat Jamaican joint and go to the beach or something. Can't work out, so I'm gonna go lift toothpicks and pillows with my left hand. Do some curls with that. Make sure you get your Top 1 Futures account. Don't forget, today's the last day for the promos. And chat, love and wisdom to you all. As for me, my time here is up. And just like that, another New York session is in the books. Call it. Close out the terminal. Go brush your teeth. Go splash some cold water on your face. Wake the hell up. It's Friday. Go enjoy your weekend. Later.